In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly insert a table into an email using Microsoft Outlook. Whether you're looking to organize data or simply want to add a touch of professionalism to your messages, inserting a table can make your emails more structured and visually appealing. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. To start, open Outlook on your computer and initiate composing a new email. This can be done by locating and clicking the New Email button, usually found in the top left corner of your Outlook home screen. Once the new email window pops up, take a moment to configure anything like your recipient, subject line, or initial text if necessary, but don't worry, our focus is on adding that table right now. Next, place your cursor in the email body where you'd like to have your table appear. It's helpful to visualize the layout of your email beforehand so you know exactly where this table will make the most sense contextually. Done? Great! Now look towards the top of your email screen. Here you'll see several tabs such as File, Home, and others. We're interested in the Insert tab. This is where the magic happens. Click on it and you'll reveal a range of options that allow you to enhance your email with various elements. Continuing on, locate the table icon under this Insert tab. It's usually displayed as a grid, and clicking on it will provide you with a grid and extra options to select how many rows and columns you want in your table. Hover your mouse over this grid to highlight the number of rows and columns suitable for your data or message needs. Once you've decided on a layout, click to insert that table directly into your email. With the table now placed within your email, it's time for data entry. Simply click on each cell within the table to start typing your information. This is where you customize the table to suit your communication needs. You might want to enter a header row, fill out columns with numbers or names, or even block out different sections depending on your intent. Remember, clarity is key, so organize your data logically. Finally, don't forget the power of formatting. Outlook offers a plethora of options to make your table pop. Under the Table Design tab that appears whenever your cursor is inside the table, play around with colors, borders, and shading to match either your brand aesthetic or to ensure the table stands out. Align text in different cells or columns if needed to further enhance readability. And there you have it. Your email now features a well-placed, neatly formatted table ready to impress the recipient. I hope this walkthrough has been helpful. Inserting tables in Outlook emails is an incredibly effective way to organize information without much hassle, making your emails look both professional and polished. Thanks for tuning in, and feel free to explore more features to further enhance your emailing experience.